Today we'll solve some cubes and cublets questions. Now the first question, the real natural number that must be multiplied to 3, 4, 5, 6, so that the product becomes a perfect cube. To solve this, first we have to write the prime factorization of 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. First two table 1, 7, 2, 8. And then again 2. Then we'll get 864. Again two table 432. Two table. Next, again we can take two table 108, 54, 2, 27, and 27 is 3 cube. So prime factorization is like 3 cube into 2 cube into 2 cube into 2. So if the number is a perfect cube, its prime factorization, everything will be in something cube. Here 3 cube, 2 cube and 2 cube is there. But this one is just a 2 power 1. So to make it 2 power 3, we have to multiply it with 2 power 2, means 2 square. So it has to be multiplied by 4. Option C. Second, the cube root of 5, 8 and 3, 2. Here to solve this, we can do the prime factorization of 5832. So we will get 2, 2, 9, 1, 6, 2, 1, 4, 5, 8, 2, 729. 729 is 9 cube. So this one is 2 cube into 9 cube. Prime factorization means 2 into 9 whole cube, 18 cube. So cube root of 18 cube will be 18. Option B. Next, cube root of 1728 by cube root of 2744. The cube root of 1728 is 12 and cube root of 2744 is 14. So if we simplify this, we'll get it as 6 by 7. Now the fourth question. Cube root of 4, 2 by 125. 4 into 125, 500. 500 plus 12 means 512 by 125 cube root. Cube root of 5 and 2 is 8 and cube root of 125 is 5. Means in the mixed fraction form it will be 1 3 by 5. Option A. Next. Cube root of 144 into cube root of 12. We can write it as cube root of 144 into 12. Cube root of 144 is 12 square and 12 square into 12 will be 12 cube. So the value of this expression is 12. Here cube root of 531441. When it is like this, big numbers, we have to make the last three numbers as a group and the remaining numbers. Here it's ending with 1 means the last digit of the cube root will be 1. And the nearest perfect cube to 531 is 512, which is 8 cube. So cube root of 531441 is 81. Option D. The reached natural number that should 9720 be multiplied to get a perfect cube. This is also like the first question. First we have to write the prime factorization 9720. First two table 4860. 2430. 1215. And we can cancel this in three table and again 3 table. 45, 15, 3, 5, 5, 1. So the prime factorization of this is 2 cube into 2 cube into and 3 it is there 5 times means 3 cube into 3 square into 5 means it will be here 1 more 3 should be there and here 2 5s means 25. So it should be multiplied by 75 to get a perfect cube. The next question, cube root of 531,441 by cube root of 729. Cube root of 531,441. The before question we did and we got it as 81. And cube root of 729 is 9. So it is 9. Option C. Next, 3 cube minus of minus 0.6 4 cube. 3 cube is 27 and minus of minus 0.6 over cube is 0.216. So here minus into minus plus 27 plus 0.216 means it is 27.216. Option A. 16 by 9 into minus 1 by 2 means minus 3 by 2 4 cube, which will be 16 by 9 into minus 27 by 8. Ones are 2. Ones are 3. So means it is minus 6. 10th one, option B. Okay, 11th question. Cube root of 3 minus 17 by 27. Cube root of 27 3s are 81 minus 17, 64 by 27. Cube root of 64 is 4 and cube root of 27 is 3. 4 by 3. 12th question. Cube root of 3 by 8. 8 3s are 24 and plus 3, 27 by 8. Cube root of 27 is 3 and cube root of 8 is 2. That's 3 by 2. 13th, the value of cube root of 512 into cube root of 3.375. Cube root of 512 is 8 and cube root of 3.375 means we can write it as cube root of 3375 by 1000. Cube root of 3375 is 15 and cube root of 1000 is 10. So it is 8 into 15 by 10 means 1.5. 8 into 1.5 is 12. Option A. The cube of 7 2 by 5 means 7 5 is 35 plus 2. 37 by 5 whole cube. 37 cube by 125. 37 cube means the last digit is 7. So the cube of this will end with 3. In the options, only in option A, the cube is ending by 3. Means that is only the answer. Option A. Now the 15th question. Cube root of 778,688. The last 3 digits and the remaining. It's ending with 8 means its cube root will end with 2. And the nearest perfect cube to 778 is 729, which is 9 cube. So the cube root of this number is 92. The least natural number by which 13720 must be divided so that the quotient is a perfect cube. This one also we have to First do the prime factorization of 13720. First do it 2 table 6860 2 3430. Again 2 table 1715. 5 table 343. 343 means it is 7 cube. Now the prime factorization of this is 2 cube into 7 cube into 5. Now they are telling which must be divided. So if we divide it with 5, this 5 and this 5 will get cancelled. So this will be a perfect cube. Means that each number which this number should be divided so that the quotient, this one should be a perfect cube is 5. Option C. The value of cube root of 125 into cube root of 64 by cube root of 125 minus cube root of 64. Means it is 5 into 4 by 5 minus 4. 20 by 1. 20. 18th question. Cube root of 8 plus cube root of 27 minus cube root of 343 by 2 square minus 3. Cube root of 8 is 2. Cube root of 27 is 3. And cube root of 343 is 7 by 2 square 4 minus 3. Now 2 plus 3 5. 5 minus 7 minus 2. By 4 minus 3 is 1. So it is minus 2. The next question. 474.552. The cube root of this. You can make it like this. And the last digit is 2 means in the cube root it will be 8. And the nearest perfect cube to 474 is 7 cube, which is 343. Means 7.8 is the cube root of 474.552. Next, the cube root of 32.768. Here also 3 digits and it is ending with 8 means its cube root last digit would be 2 and the nearest perfect cube to 32 is 27, which is 3 cube. So the cube root of 32.768 is 3.2. Next, 21st question. By what reached number 3600 must be divided to make it a perfect cube? So we have to write the prime factorization of 3600. 3 table 1200 and again 3 table 400. 2 table 200. 200s and 250. And next again we can make it in 2 table and 5 square. Means it is 3 square into 5 square into 2 cube into 2. Means it has to be divided by 3 square into 5 square into 2. So that 2 cube will be left. 3 square is 9. 5 square is 25 into 2. Means if we multiply this, we will get 450. The next question. The cube root of minus 0.000008 by 0.000216. Here cube root of minus 0. Here 6 decimal places are there. So in the cube root there will be 2. And 8 means it is 2 cube. So minus 0.2 by here 216 means 0.6. We can write it as minus 2 by 6. 1s are 3s are. Minus 1 by 3. Option B. 22nd. Cube root of 1 minus 127 by 343. 343 minus 127 means 216 by 342. Cube root of 216 is 6 and cube root of 343 is 7. Means 6 by 7. Here are the options that did not give like that directly. So if we check option A 5 by 9. No, it is wrong. Option B 1 minus 1 by 7. Means 7 minus 1 6. 6 by 7. So it is option B 24th. If x equals to cube root of 293 by 125. Here it is mixed fraction and the value of x means it will be cube root of 125 2 is 250, 250 plus 93. 343 by 125. Cube root of 343 is 7 and cube root of 125 is 5. 7 by 5 in mixed fraction 1, 2 by 5. Option B. Cube root of a number when divided by the smallest prime number gives the square of the smallest prime number. Cube root of a number means let the number be some x. So cube root of x when divided smallest prime number is 2 gives the square of the smallest prime number means 2 square 4. So cube root of x is 8. So x will be equals to 8 cube means x is 512. Option A. Now assertion and reason. 26. 1 cube equals to 1, 9 cube equals to 720 and 3 cube equals to 23. Where 1, 729 and 27 are cubes of 1, 9 and 3 respectively. This one is true. Next, the cubes of all odd natural numbers are even. This one is false. We'll take some number 3. 3 cube will be 27. It is even. So this statement is false. Now 27th. Assertion. 14 cube equals to 2744. This one is correct. And 24 cube is 13822. This one is wrong because 24 cube means the last digit should be 4. But here it is 2. So this statement is wrong. Reason. The number ends with digit 4. Then cubes of the number ends with the same digit 4. This one is true. 28th question. Assertion 4, 7, 10 are natural numbers in the form of 3n plus 1 where n equals to 1 comma 2. So here n is 1 means 3n plus 1 is 3 plus 1 equals to 4. And next n is 2 means 3 into 2 6 plus 1 equals to 7 means this one is true. Next the cube of natural number of the form 3n plus 2 when divided by 3 leaves the remainder 2. So we will check this with an example. Cube of a natural number form 3n plus 2. Let n be some 1. So here it would be 5. So 5 cube is 125. So when it is divided by 3, the quotient will get it as 41 and remainder as 2. And here also that was it leaves a remainder of 2. So the statement is true. Next. We know that 9 divided by 3 equals to and 9 cube by 9 divides 3 and 9 cube divides 3 cube and 8 divided by 2 is 4 and 8 cube by 2 cube equals to 64. Means if A divides B then A cube divides B cube. True. Means they are telling that if 8 is divided by 2 then 8 cube can also be divided by 2 cube. So here both the statements are true. Next, the assertion. The unit digit of cubes of 528, 38 and 1298 ends with 2. This one is true. For any number ending with 8, it cube ends with the number 2. So assertion is true. Reason. If a number ends with 8, then its cube ends with 2. This one is also true.